birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. Let's find out. And the famous birthday segment, by the way, is brought to you by Angel's Pizza. Okay, ang pizza ng mababait, sabi nga, di ba? Siyempre, Angels yan di ba? Pag hindi ka ba naman kumain ka ng pizza ng anghel, pizza ng anghel, parang si Ma'am Kang. Anghel. Yeah. Pag kumain ka ng pizza niya, pizza ng anghel yan. Ewan ko kung di ka bumait. Malay ko lang. And also they're inviting you to try the Bulgogi Gochujang Pizza. Yeah. Nakatikim ka na ba ng pizza na na Korean flavor? Eto. I've tried it. Masarap. Oh, sa unang kagat. Napaano kagad ako. Sino ako? Saan ako naroon? Ayan, the Bulgogi Gochujang Pizza. Available at Angel's Pizza, Olongapo, number 395 Vendler Street, Rizal Avenue Extension. For call and inquiry, 0927-117-9020. Ayan, inquire na kayo ha. Also, they are promoting the Sabacon Yellow. Beat the summer heat with Angel's Refreshing Sabacon Yellow. Alam ko, tapos na yung summer. Pero, yeah, masarap pa rin tirahin yan. Tirahin talaga, Very refreshing. Sabacon Yellow. Sa akin, hindi saba. Con Yellow at Angel's Pizza. You give it a try. Also, they're offering the triple deal promo. Choice of 3 pizzas, any flavor. 799 lang, 3 medium na. 1,199, 3 family size. And 1,499, 3 big family size. Kung may family size, meron pang big family size. Any flavors ha, ikaw bahala. Check it out. Triple deal, more pizza, more sulit. Alright, at Angel's Pizza, Olongapo, ang pizza ng mababait. Gaya ni DJ Cyberbugs. Pare, yan. Shout out sa inyo ha, si DJ Cyberbugs tsaka si Cybin, ang iyong poging anakis. Ayan, okay. Shout out. Alam ko tapos na yung birthday mo, DJ Cyberbugs, pero happy birthday pa rin. Lagi kong ginigreet yan si paring DJ Cyberbugs. Alam nyo kung bakit? Kasi siya yung napakabait na kaibigan na hindi plastic. Yung hindi ka iiwan sa ere, no? Siya kasi yung total opposite nung isa naming kaibigan. Na sobrang peke. Sa sobrang kapikean, gumagawa ng fake account tapos pupurihin yung sarili. Tapos hahanapin. Kunyari, hinahanap ko tong DJ na to. Ang galing-galing ng DJ na to The best in the world. Napanood ko siya dati sa sa Canadian wedding. Ang galing-galing. Yung pala, siya rin yun no? Kanya rin pala yung account na naghahanap Baliw. Kaya noon pa talaga ang tawag namin sa kanya Mesa. Hindi yung Mesa na yung kainan sa alam ko meron sa SM Central noon. Mesa lang, palayo lang niya. Mesayad. Sino tong DJ na to? Anybody know this DJ? I've been looking for him. I saw him at a Canadian wedding. Anak ka ng Beatrice yeah, okay. Balik na tayo. Famous birthday segment. Brought to you by Angel's Pizza, Olongapo. Ayan. Isa sa mga nag-birthday ngayon si Jose Palma. Ayan. Baka di nyo kilala. Yung mga younger generation, dapat kilala nyo to. Nasa Philippine history yan. Okay? He was born June 3, 1876. Now, for those who don't know, for the sake of those who don't know, sige, sabihin na rin natin, Jose Palma Y. Velasquez was a Filipino poet and soldier. He was on the staff of La Independencia. At the time, he wrote Filipinas, a patriotic poem in Spanish. It was published for the first time in the issue of the first anniversary of La Independencia on September 3 back in 1899. Okay? Now, yung tula, the poem, fit the instrumental tune Marcha Nacional Filipina by Julian Felipe. Familiar din. Baka sabihin nyo, hindi nyo rin kilala si Julian Felipe. So, alam nyo na. Alam niyo na kung saan patungo, no? Nabubuo na. It has been since the basis for every translation of the Philippine National Anthem. Oh, there you go. Nagmula doon, di ba? Sa tula na yon, sa poem by Jose Palma. And then lapat sa tune ng Marcha Nacional Filipina by Julian Felipe. Ayun. Giving us the National Anthem. Lupang Hinirang. Yan. Ayan pa, isa pa yan ha. Karamihan, hanggang ngayon ha, karamihan pa rin. Dami nagkakamali. Ang pambansang awit daw nating Bayang Magiliw. Hindi Bayang Magiliw ang title nun. Lupang Hinirang. Bayang Magiliw lang yung umpisa. Okay? Now you know. Also, happy birthday to Bong Ku. June 3, 1948, Bong Ku is also a very iconic athlete for the Philippines. And she is a professional bowler. All right. Her career with the national team has earned for Philippines 78 medals, broken down to 37 gold, 23 silver, and 18 bronze. Oh, yan yung mga naiuwi niya para sa ating Philippines, my Philippines. Mga bayani natin itong mga to no? Dapat kilala nyo si Bongku ha, lalo na yung mga kabataan ngayon. Alamin nyo kung sino si Bongku. Yan. Probably one of the best Filipino bowlers in the world. And nasa atin din ang the best Filipino male bowler in the world. Bowler, hindi bowler. Bowler, si Paeng Nepomuceno na idol. Ayan, nasa Guinness Book of Record na yan. Si Paeng sa dami ng naipanalo niya. So isa lang ibig sabihin no? Magagaling ang Pinoy sa bowling, no? Kaya lang hindi kasi naging Olympic event no? Olympic event na ba sa ngayon? Pero dati, nung time na kalakasan nila, wala hindi no? Sayang. Kung Olympic event sana yan, ang dami na nating gold, no? Sa Olympic. And next up, we have Ramon Jacinto. Okay? Si Ramon Jacinto is a musician, Filipino businessman, radio personality. Si RJ Jacinto kung tawagin. Di ba may DWRJ pa nga dati na FM radio, di ba? Okay. O yan. Alright? Tama ba ako? Yeah. Very, very successful businessman. He's on UHF TV. He has a UHF TV station. Chairman of Jacinto Color Steel Incorporated, founder of RJ Guitars. May guitars pa siya. And he's a rock and roll man. He can play the guitar, he can sing. Rock and roll man, Ramon Jacinto, idol. June 3, 1945. Next up, we have Josh Shigara, who's a TV actor. June 3, 1986. Ann Winters from the ABC family series The Fosters, and she was cast in Netflix 13 Reasons Why. Okay, there you go. Ann Winters turns 31 today. Tennis superstar, tennis player from Manacor, Spain, Rafael Nadal turns 39 today. All right, Grand Slam tennis champion who has won an astounding 14 French Open titles. He won Wimbledon in 2008, 2010, the Australian Open 2009, and the US Open in 2010, 2013, and 2017. Yeah, you know those things. They keep calling it open, Why? They never close. Former First Lady of the USA, Jill Biden, of course, asawa ni Joe Biden, the 46th president. Next up, we have happy birthday also to TV show host Anderson Cooper, June 3, 1967. He turns 58 today. Happy birthday to you. All right. And lastly, happy birthday to basketball player Jalen Suggs. In 2021, he was drafted by the Orlando Magic. I don't know where he is now. Nasaan na siya ngayon? Saan na ba siya naglalaro? Is he still with the Orlando Magic? Pero he helped lead Gonzaga University to the championship game of the 2021 NCAA. Napanood ko yun Oh, galing ng mga pinaggagawa ng mamang to. Magaling. Yeah, he's good. June 3, 2001, he turns 24 today. Alright, so there you have it. Celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you June 3 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
In addition, I wanna greet happy birthday kay Ate Ana Luz Cruz. Madam Ana Luz Cruz. Happy birthday po sa inyo, ha? Alright, hope you have a good one. Pati na rin si Kuya Rick James Dumos Hamin, the very talented musician. He's a musician. Okay, happy birthday sa iyo, Sir Rick James, ha? I hope you will have a good one. Okay? All right, so there you have it. The celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. And time for me to take the quick bottom of the hour break. All right, I will be back with some more Ultimate Warriors for you. Some more Ultimate news and updates. All right, when we return, please stick around. We will be right back.